famous ghosts. They spoke of ghosts as if ghosts was a legend, but legends don't stay quiet long. Meet the newest member of the family. What's up, everyone? It's Mopar Bitty Ghost RT, and today is a big day. I finally pulled the trigger on a Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Let's get into why this car is a game changer. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. The power, the sound, the look, it's everything a Mopar fan dreams of. I got big plans for this one. You can definitely feel the Hemi under this hood. It's loud, it's proud, and it's fast. This is why we did it. The Ghost is officially back on these streets. This is just the start. We have a lot of road to cover. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single mile or the next video. Until next time, this is Mopar Bitty Ghost RT.